We all have stories hidden long ago, from creaking floorboards and Christmas shows. So long, too old and badly dressed, with wet tissues and swinging chairs. First one to get it in your teacher's hair. Don't have your bag on both shoulders, kids. You'll all thank me later when you're 26. But where do we go from here? Where do we go? The site, the place, the face, the mess. I'll start choosing this place as my daytime address. You sweat, it's true, the wasteland's real, but it's not my time, and this is how I feel. But where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? My very own 7-year itch. How can I tell you what's right or wrong, now that I know I've been right all along? I'm getting so many flashbacks again, now that I know I'm gonna be here till the end. Yeah, to close my eyes and turn back time. It's time to mount, to spin and twine. It's not the help I thought I'd need. The excitement was enough to make me sleep. With all my days as a uniform, my final day, my name was called. Well, it's clear to me, and thousands more, that there's a piece of me that's still between the walls. Where do we go from here? 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 From here. From here.